Guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a 4-size page in Adobe Photoshop. To start, feel free to check the links in the description below for bonuses and tools that might help you with our topic in this video. Once you open up Photoshop, let's just click on New File at the top left, and you should be able to see this Print tab at the top. Simply click on that one, and you should be able to see the A4 option. If you don't see it, you can click on View All Presets, and you should be able to scroll through and look for the A4 format. Select the A4 document size and just click on Create at the bottom right. Now, if it doesn't work for you, another alternative way is to go to the File tab at the top left and select New. At the right hand side, we are going to change the unit to pixels. And for the width, we are going to change this one to 2480. And for the height, set it to 3508. And just click on Create at the bottom. And those are the dimensions for an A4 sized paper. And also make sure that the orientation you selected is on portrait. Thanks for watching, and again, you can check out the links in the description box for more resources to help you get started. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.